Welcome back once again, guys. Today is day 4 and we are heading to the hills again, guys. So let's go. All we need to head to the main road and then get to our destination. So guys, that's the place where we are going today. As you can see, it's quite far from our place right now, and we'll be going there and I'll get a better view of our place here. So we'll be back in a minute, guys. Here's a gate for those cows, for them not to go out. Sweating like hell, yeah. Hell yeah. That was damn slippery, guys. Almost fell down. Let's keep on moving. Farm life is not easy grass, guys. Okay guys, right now I'm gonna show you guys the view of our farm. So guys, these green parts are the ones which we worked on yesterday, and then from there our farm starts to go up, and see guys, from down there, and there guys, it ends around there. From there it goes down, down, and yeah guys. Here at our nursery. So today we are gonna work here. See guys, as you can see, our chera is, this is how we chera our betel nut, and it's all under these bushes, and we need to search and clean it up. See guys, so it's a tough work, and let's see how it goes, guys. halfway done, guys. We are done with the half, and now we are going on to the next this area, this part. So let's continue, guys. Rum here. See, tam copper.